Hey, I love controls. Can't wait for today. It's going to be fantastic.
I really liked the LLC class I took. It's really interesting to learn about integrated controls and how they affect the whole building in the future.
Loved meeting some of the people that are specifying the controls and also some of the manufacturers here, and overall great. We got some nice gift bags too, and that's always a pro.
Yeah, this is a great show. It's always a lot of fun. Get to really interact with some great people and really promote our new products and the high quality products that SeaTac supports.
It's just nice to know what it is that we're working with instead of just looking at a computer screen, you know? Better than a cut sheet, that's for sure.
I love controls.